Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I must first apologize to every one of you guys for just going MIA without telling you guys why. Well, here's the reason. I have been a little busy with work and I decided to step away from active filming for some time, but I am back and I hope you guys can forgive me. So I'm going to be able to give you those videos that you like back to back, and hope you guys can jump onto the Glam Beauty family back again. Now, today's video is a collaboration video with Read Your Heart Jewelry. Now, they reached out to me and wanted me to pick out a few items on their website and see how you guys go. I did go over there and I picked out a few pieces and they sent them to me. So this is what we're going to be doing today, is we're going to be unboxing these together. So I normally love necklaces and I deliberately decided not to wear one today for that particular reason of me unboxing these with you guys. So we're going to see what they look like. I like this already. You guys already know I am a sucker for packaging and I am OCD when it comes to that. I'm very picky. So how you package your product to me kind of says a lot about your company. The fact that this was double bubble wrapped says a lot about this company. So it was packed in this bubble wrap and packed again in individual bubble wrap. So this is like a win for me already. I already like that. And they send you like a little bag. They send you like a little bag to put your jewelry in, and then they send you something else. We're gonna see what else is in there. So these are the necklaces. We already know that. So we're gonna keep those for later. I wanna see what this is. I know we have a bag and the teal color. Like, teal is one of my favorite colors and I just love that it's a teal color for jewelry. So this is like a little bag. So if I decide to kind of gift this to someone else, I'll definitely will have to put it in this bag. So this is cute that they send you a bag as well. You know how it is when you're trying to, if you're buying jewelry for anybody and you're trying to gift them, it's really hard to find like a little nice bag that matches that, and the fact that this company sends you this is amazing. And then this is a silver polishing cloth. So this is just for you to be able to clean your jewelry. I like that. And they send you like a little booklet, which is cute. I'm gonna show you guys what the booklet is up close because it won't show there. Oh, ooh. Okay guys, now this is a whole different level of a jewelry company. I have never had, I've had one company, I'm not going to mention the company, but I've had one company because I use it with my own money. I had a jewelry company that authenticates your jewelry. Now Read Your Heart sends you these envelopes. Now this is a certificate of authenticity, just to ensure that whatever you bought is authentic and real. This is high end for me, and I'm really impressed that it actually has the authenticity certificate that is sent to you, just so that you know that everything you purchased is real. So I love that about this. And this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can be able to see, but that's what it looks like. And it's actually a report. I'm gonna show you guys this up close as well, just so that you can see. Now, let's get to the unboxing of the jewelry. So it already was packed in 2 different packages to protect the jewelry. And it has a third little box protector. Oh, I love this. This is like a foam feel. I love that. Let's open it. Oh wow. So it comes with a little bag that's covered under the jewelry to protect the jewelry. I think that's so beautiful. I love that already. And then this is number 2. This is beautiful. I love the teal. Read your heart jewelry. Whoever came up with this color, amazing. This was the second one. And I'm gonna show you guys up close and let you know what they all are. This is so cute. I like that they have a little bag and that just protects the jewelry. That's amazing. And then this is the last one. Oh, this is so pretty. I love red. Like, this is one of my favorite colors. Red is actually my favorite color. Teal and white are like some of my favorite colors. So now we're going to get a little bit closer and put the jewelry on. But before that, I'm going to show you guys what they all look like up close. Okay guys, now let's get into each one of them. We just have 3, so we're not going to spend a lot of time. I'm just going to let you know which ones I got, and I want to get them right. So my favorite one that caught my attention was, you know it is the red one. And so this one is called the Emerald Cut Ruby Sterling Silver Halo Necklace. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I love their packaging. Like, read your heart, you did amazing on the packaging, and the jewelry is beautiful as it comes. So this is the first one, and I feel like it looks beautiful. And against the black top, I think it looks amazing. What do you guys think? I think this is really cute. And I wanted to wear a black outfit just so that the jewelry can actually be more visible and it can actually show its qualities of just being the centerpiece of the outfit. I love the red. I would definitely wear this with like an all black outfit and maybe carry a red purse. Maybe that would go to kind of match a little bit with the jewelry, but this is definitely beautiful. I love it. And then jewelry number 2.
This is the Halo Round Moissanite Sterling Silver Necklace Pendant.
This is the second one. And this is another beautiful piece. I feel like this is not too big, but still not too small, and it does have a lot of details with just the shimmer and the glittering, and I just love it. It's super cute. Like, this would be like a casual day. Let's say you're going to brunch and you just want to be super casual, but you still also want to have a little bit of accessory that is speaking a little too loud but not too loud. I would go, this is the way to go. So I would definitely do this. I love it. So the last one is this one. I love that one as well. I love the structure of it. And this one is called the Halo Moissanite Dream Come True Sterling Silver Necklace. And let's see what it looks like on me. So this is another beautiful piece, if you guys can see it. I think it looks really cute as well. This could be like an going out, if you're going out to dinner or any other date that you'd want to go out to. This is the piece to go for, just because of how it's shaped and how it kind of accentuates your outfit. I think this would go good with just a regular day, not over the top, but you still want to add a little accessory to you. This is the way to go. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys up close so that you can actually see what they look like on me.
Now let's get into more details of the Global Gemological Research Association. So this envelope that they send for you, I think, is one important aspect of the entire purchase, because it lets you know a lot of information and research that was done on your jewelry. It does come with limited life warranty and certificate of authentic, and then it comes with the GRA Moissanite report itself. So once you open the report, you will see that it has the grading report, it has the grading results, it has additional grading information, it does have clarity, characteristics, and it has the grading scales as well. This is top-notch information. I've never seen a jewelry company send me this much information for jewelry. So read your heart. You definitely know what you're doing. Last but not the least, it also gives you a description of what GRA is. It has information on testing and certification and the declaration.
Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing these beautiful pieces with me. And as always, I never ever forget to ask for a discount code for all of you guys. So I'm gonna put the discount code either here or here, which is GlamBeauty15, and you get a 15% discount on your entire purchase. So Black Friday is around the corner. Go ahead and shop there. I'm sure the prices are actually sliced down. With that percentage off, the discount code, you'll be able to save a lot of money. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For me, it is goodbye and see you in my next one.